And we done messed up already. What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Neff. What we have here is a Primeweld Mig 160. I just received this, so we're gonna do the unboxing. We're gonna put it together and give it its first weld. So if there's something that interests you guys, make sure you guys hit that notification bell. So as soon as I post something, you guys be the first ones to see it. Also hit that like and subscribe. So we're about to put this bad boy together. I just got it, so I'm anxious to hurry up and unbox this thing. Alrighty, so let's go with it. I had already cut the tape. So we got instructions and an operating. We don't need this. I might. Alright, so we got this little baby here. It's nice and small. It's not even that heavy, probably like 15 pounds the most. Show you guys the front. Alright, so back here you got the gas port and the on and off switch. Little fan. And you got your controls over here. It is a stick welder as well, by the way, just if you guys didn't know. And I believe it brings the accessories to stick weld. I like it, it's nice and small. This is the 160, by the way. Oh, it comes off. I was trying to open it. Alright, so that's where the spool goes. Your wire. 0.23 to 0.25, which is 6 millimeter. 0.030, which is 8 millimeter. And 0.035, which is 0.9 millimeter. Not bad. I might not use all of those. Usually I just use like 0.30, so. I like the colors. The black and yellow looks actually pretty nice. All right, let's see what we got in this box. Put it back with this way. All right, let's see what goodies we got. All right, so we got the adapter for 110, which I really need because I don't have 220 in my garage. So this is a big plus. I mean, it also works off of 220, but once you plug it in here, you're able to use 120 or 110. Okay, so we got the adapter. We got the line for the gas. And bada bing. Stick welding, here we come. And we got the ground cable, or the ground adapter. Not bad. It'll do the job. We got some tools here. I'm guessing this is for your wire. Yep, 0.06, 0.09. And you got some tips. Put these over there. And we got a little bit of wire. They cheated me on this one. Flux-core arc welding wire, 0.08 millimeter. Man, this is like half a pound. At least it'll get me started. All right, put it this way. You guys can see again. So beautiful. This is plastic. This is metal. And this is the piece that actually goes in there to cover your wire. Oh, wrong way, it goes this way. Oh, shit. It just lays in there. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna flip it the other way so we could start putting things on this bad boy. And I'm gonna show you guys. All right, we'll connect this ground cable. Well, I might have to do some reading because I don't remember if it goes on which area it goes. I'm pretty sure it's the negative, but you never know. We'll go off with the negative for now. I really do have to read the instructions because I don't remember how to set it up. Well, you got a pretty long cable, pretty long ground cable, about 8 feet. All right, since we're going gasless, we're just using the wire with no gas. We're actually connecting this lead that goes to, well, it's part of your thingy. It connects to the negative, and your ground is actually going to connect to the positive. Since we're not using gas, if you're using gas, then your ground will be connected up here in the negative, per instructions. All right, we're about to put this wire in there. And we done messed up already. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this piece of wire since it's bent. It's gonna be difficult to put in through there. So the instructions say to load it up counterclockwise, so that's exactly what we're doing. Roll it in through here. All right, it's on. That little piece in there, a little hole, I couldn't see that bad boy. All right, so put this bad boy back on. By the way, I had this little cart set up for her, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her here. I'm gonna put all the rest of this stuff where it goes on the bottom of the cart. This, once we get gas, we'll go ahead and use it, and then we'll do the whole connection all over again. So you guys can see this we're gonna use now. And now we'll put her in her forever home. Well, I'm gonna end up moving her on this side. I don't like welding with the wire on this side. I like it to go from here. So let's start connecting and do some welds. All right, so we got her turned on. We are doing MIG. We're not doing stick. We're gonna keep it at 2T. We're gonna give her some juice, not all of it because we're on 110. And this is the wire speed. So we're gonna test her out, make sure that we can weld, and we'll adjust from there. Alright y'all, we actually got her set up. We got the wire to run through the actual trigger. Now let's see how our settings are. It's preliminary settings, by the way. This one, like other welders, does not have a little piece inside that's a little sticker glued to it where it tells you like where you should start depending on the size of what you're welding. So we're going off how it goes. This will be trial and error, like really trial and error. Alright, so here we go. We'll go about half power. I'll turn off one of these lights. The helmet don't want to cooperate. I tell you, it's not one thing, it's another. I can't see. The helmet's acting crazy, but it actually was pretty good. Oh yeah, I think I got too much wire speed, so lower that a little bit. We'll come back. Alright, I gotta change helmets. This one's not cooperating. It's gotta be this light. Has to be. Alright, let me turn this light off. This is not wanting to work. Let's go back with this one. I can't weld like this. Alright, I just line it up and hit it a few times and see what it does. Wire speed is a little too slow. Little more juice. I like it right there. I like it. Oh Lord. So for not having any gas, just using the wire and whatever, I think it actually was pretty nice. You grab it this way. I don't know if y'all can see. That's the first blob. I had too much wire speed. And this one got better and this one got better, but I still can probably go up a little bit hotter. But hey, I'm happy with that. Heat went all the way through, so I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty sure once we put we get the argon CO2 mix, I'm pretty sure the welds will come out really nice. But then again, for being such a small welder, Mig Welder, I think it does pretty good. It does the job. It's nicely welded. It ain't going nowhere. A little bit more juice would be perfect. But there it is, y'all, the Primeweld 160. I was going with the 185, but what I do here, I really don't need something so powerful, so that's why we went with this one. So I will be doing some more tests on it, and once I have it the way I want it, we will be making more videos. We are gonna do that 2x72 grinder that you see back there. We are gonna grind it down and weld it again because I was practicing stick weld and I don't like how it came out. So we're gonna make it look nice. I'll just grind everything off and redo it so it'll look beautiful. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.